Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountrychicottage.net, here today to talk about SportFlex Iron-on. So maybe you've made your own shirts before with regular everyday iron-on from Cricut. Now they have a new iron-on product on the market called SportFlex. SportFlex is for workout gear, dry fit shirts, swimsuit material, maternity shirts, anywhere where you need some extra stretch. So let's take a look at it up close. So this is the everyday iron-on and the SportFlex on one swatch of material. Now this material is a dry fit shirt material with spandex in it, so it is very stretchy. So if you can see the everyday iron-on, when I stretch it, the letters don't give much. With the SportFlex, when I stretch it, the letters stretch as well. So you can really see how the letters stretch, whereas the everyday, the letters basically stay the same size with very little stretch. So definitely the SportFlex. So definitely the SportFlex for all of those projects where you need some stretch. So I made this shirt with SportFlex. It's actually a dry fit shirt, and I was extremely impressed with the stretch, especially on this solid football piece in the middle. Very stretchy and will definitely withstand tons of wear from kids. So if you are looking for a way to make your own workout gear, add an embellishment to a swimsuit, make some cute maternity clothes that won't mess up when the iron-on goes to stretch, SportFlex is definitely the answer. So look for it at your local craft store or online and add some stretch to your iron-on projects. If you want the cut file for this shirt, look for it on thecountrychicottage.net. Give us a thumbs up on YouTube, share this video with your friends. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube as well, so we have tons of Cricut tutorials all the time. Thank you for joining me today.